How to fix Android Gallery or Photos app stuck on optimizing. This tutorial shows you how to resolve this issue on your Android device. First, close the Gallery app completely and reopen it to see if the optimizing process clears on its own. After that, make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi Fi network, as optimizing requires a strong connection to complete. From there, if it's still stuck, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. At this point, once your device boots back up, open the Gallery app again to check if the issue has been resolved. In the next step, if the problem persists, go to your home screen and long press on the Gallery app icon and tap App Info. Following this, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files that may be causing the app to get stuck. Once done, open the Settings app and tap on Account and Backup, and make sure your Google Photos or Samsung Cloud Sync is not stuck mid-process. Finally, if the optimizing screen is still showing after all these steps, open the Google Play Store, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart once more after the update is installed to fully apply the changes. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your stuck gallery app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.